What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and I'm your beginner stock investor. I've been doing this since May of last year, I want to say. Yeah, right after we had COVID. And so there's so much stuff going on in the stock market right now, all over the place. And like, I only have so little time of your attention span to give you the information you want to hear and then bounce and then go to somebody else and listen to them and then, forget about Tuck Notes and whatever. I'm just joking. But anyways, no, but seriously, we got some big stuff going on. I've told you about the NVIDIA split, but right now it's the AMC, and I'm going to dive into that right now and tell you guys what's up with AMC and the latest update I got based off of the information that was given to me by my source. So this isn't my information, this is what we get. This is what I get and what we get, and this is how we do it. So I'll cover AMC stocks price prediction, some of this AMC stock calls or stock options, and the AMC stock analysis for the rest of the week. Okay, so we started out this morning with big news from AMC saying that AMC plans to reward its retail investors by giving them free popcorn and exclusive screening to movie theaters. So to probably movies and movie theaters. Sorry, I just dropped my pen. That's pretty cool. And that says a lot for like the future of AMC and of reality and, and the movie industry too. I mean, God, I was waiting for James Bond to come out, and it was about to come out, and then bam, COVID came, and no Bond. Whatever, I'll have to wait for him to come back. AMC stock was trading today at $62. It closed at $62.55. AMC went up $95.22, which is equivalent to $30.51. And in the after hours, it went up another 6.28%, which is $3.90. So AMC went up 100% today. I'll tell you, yesterday I've been very, very like staying away from this stuff, but now it's the flip side, meaning now people aren't losing their money. It's like you can put the money in and feel safe about it, at least from what I've seen yesterday. It was, remember, I made a movie. It was $20 and I said it could go to $25 or potentially $30. And then it went to $35. So like I saw that happen, and so I got into it. And so I'm so excited, and I hope that you guys are too, and that you guys are, I'm not here to force it on you, but it's probably wise to get in on this. And so last Friday there was a lot of squeezing going on by the hedge funds. I'm not a great storyteller about short squeezing, but I'm going to do my best. Tucker will try his best. And the squeezing from the hedge funds is them trying to hold their position by literally a fingernail. They're like probably using up the last of their money. I don't feel bad for them at all. I was about to say I feel bad for them, but I don't. So if you understand call options and all that stuff, what I'm going to tell you, then it'll pertain to you. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. I don't understand it. I'm just telling it to the people that probably do. So it's all good. The first, the next call option to be on the lookout is $70 strike. And there's like pretty large volume of people involved in that, and I don't have the number written down. I didn't write it. I didn't think it was important until now. Lesson learned. But I do know that the next strike price is $62. I mean $60 strike price, and that volume is like probably 300,000 different options going on. I'm gonna say this now. Okay, so yeah, I told you that. I told you about last week. So when it comes to price action for AMC this week, if it stays above $60 by Friday, the hedge funds could go underwater, and they'll be just like right now, there's just massive call options going on right now because everybody's like, oh, AMC is gonna go up. I know it for sure. And so I'm gonna buy this option. And so, you know, if it gets to this number, then after that it gets, you know, I win this, and that. But in reality, that's so dangerous, and I do not promote it one bit for any of my people because it's so hard to get your money back. Trust me, take it from me, you guys that know me, it's easy to make the money, but it's really hard getting it back. If you know it, if you've been in my shoes, then you know what I'm talking about. Or it can be really easy if you're a genius and you're like Chicken Genius Singapore who can figure everything out. That's not us, or not me at least. So back to it. If the shorts decide to cover their options, we could see what happened in GameStop. And that was when GameStop went from $150 and it shot up to $350 in a day. AMC stock price is really driven by the options, the gamma squeeze. I'm going to tell you what that is. I didn't know what it is, but I have it written. I have it right here. And some other stuff, probably like retail investors buying in on it. It could drop to 145, or it could, I'm sorry, gap up. Sorry, not drop. It could gap up to 145 to 150 within a matter of a day. So right now, if it stays at 60 or between $60 and $73, we should see AMC stock go up to $100 by Friday. That's it. And I hope you enjoyed this music. I hope you enjoyed my debriefing on AMC stock analysis. You can find me on YouTube at Tuck Notes, and on Instagram, this is when you guys click and end the video and don't listen to the rest of what I'm saying, but on Instagram at Tucker MLO, and you can also find my blog at #TucksBlog, and then you can also keep watching Ethereum if you're still watching my video about, don't forget about this. I'm watching it right now, and we're going up in the crypto world. The market is, but it's not reaching the peak that it had right before. It's right below it, and so it's just this gradual downgrade, but pretty soon it'll just be a whew. So anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support by watching all my videos. You're the best. Good night.